Hey everyone, Mike is here, Boomerangme founder, and I'm so excited to see you here because today we're gonna talk about the Boomerangme account walkthrough. And let's start from the main dashboard. I just created a new account on the business plan in Boomerangme, and let's start from the beginning, from the main dashboard. Here you can see your expiration period for your trial, and you could upgrade your account and schedule a demo if you want to learn more about this product with our team of experts. The next thing, free implementation within 14 days. If you want us to help you customize your account, just don't hesitate to fill in your information actually, and we will help you to customize all the settings without any problems. Let's go ahead. The main dashboard and the main statistics chart. This chart shows you your traction by your loyalty program by days, and you can see the number of new loyalty members, number of repeat customers, and number of new referrals that you captured with your new loyalty program. Also, you could select and compare statistics like repeat customers with the last period. For example, if we check in the month statistics, we will compare repeat customers from this month with the previous one. Also, you could compare new members and referrals within your selected period, week with week, day with day, and month with month, if it makes sense. Going ahead, the loyalty ROI chart will show you how many money actually you generate from your loyalty program. How we calculate it? This is the information, return of investments calculated like revenue from loyal customers minus cost of your goods and cost of your loyalty program divided by your cost and multiple to 100%. You will get this information in currency, in percentage if you want, and you will see how many money actually you generate from this product. Right now we just started, and this is why each invested dollar generates you just $0. But if you will onboard, let's say first 100 clients, you will see numbers something like 3-5x as a return of investments. It means if you invest $1, you will get at least $5 back from this tool. And also you could check your loyalty ROI by day period, week period, month, year, and all time if you want. Let's move forward. Number of total transactions and average order value dynamic. Actually, absolutely interesting statistics point, because as you can find after, your loyalty program will increase the average order value on your repeat and loyal customers. And by statistics, because we issued more than 2 million loyalty cards worldwide, I would say we could increase the average order value by up to 30% with the same members, with the same customer traffic. Okay, let's go ahead. Activity by your loyalty program, the number of new clients, number of issued cards, retention rate statistics, which you could select and understand for 60 days, 120 and 240 days. And we will compare the current period with the previous one on this graphic automatically. Next one, it's a feedback rating chart. And here you can see how many people leaves you feedback in total, how many of them was a positive feedback, how many feedback on the services like Google My Business, your Facebook page, your Facebook community, and etc. Average loyalty level in chart, and dissatisfied members. We appear dissatisfied member here to show you how it's going on and give you opportunity to get your dissatisfied members and communicate with them as fast as you could to understand what the problem was. Well, let's go ahead. Referral program statistics, which you could check with different periods like day, week, month, and etc. And here you can understand how many cards was been shared, how many cards installed by referrals, new referral members, revenue from referrals, and a referral program dynamic on the chart. Top 10 your customers by number of total visits and by purchases amount you could see here. Well, go ahead. Customer profile by gender, device, age, and top 10 your customers again by total visits and by purchase amount you could understand here. Here is the main dashboard and something about 20 data points of your loyalty statistics you could get in the live mode 24/7 on your dashboard. And we move forward to the card section. Here you can create the new loyalty promotion card template or customize your existing ones. I created the new account, and the system automatically helps me to generate 6 loyalty card mechanic affordable to my selected business. I created this account for Cafe, Urf Cafe, and the system automatically generated 6 card type like gift card, discount, cashback, stamp, coupon, and reward cards. And I actually clarified what type of business I run and where is my business is located on the Google Maps. The system automatically captured all information about my business and automatically generated all those cards with my information. Like as you can see, cart already pre-filled with the business email, phone number, address, website, Facebook link, LinkedIn link, Twitter link, the feedback link for Google My Business account to collect reviews to increase your visibility in Google search, and the cart issuer information. And also, system automatically created simple design which you could easily customize if you want. Let's get back and let's talk about loyalty mechanics that we have for your ideas. First of all, when you start creating the new loyalty card, you could choose one of 111 loyalty card design templates for the most popular local business niches like car service, cafe, car rental, car wash, and etc. etc. You could find your desired one, but I prefer to use the coffee shop template here. And let's talk about loyalty mechanics that you could set up with Boomerangme product. First of all, we have 8 loyalty mechanics starting from stamp card. It's something like Starbucks loyalty program where you need to collect 12 stars and get 13 coffee for free. You could set up absolutely the same mechanic in 5 minutes with this product. Reward card, very similar to Taco Bell and Chipotle loyalty program where you could collect bonus points for your spends and after redeem those bonus points for the free bonuses and rewards for the brands. It could be free dishes, it could be some benefits, free booking table reservations, and additional benefits like you want. Most flexible loyalty mechanic that we have at this moment with this product. Next one, membership. Very smart and very flexible loyalty mechanic for your clients, and I would say you could really digitize your membership program with this product right now. You could set up the paid membership for your business and offer some limits included in those membership plans. For example, you could set up bronze, silver, and gold tiers and give 5 visits on bronze, 10 visits on silver, and 15 visits on gold plan in the month for your loyalty members. Next one, discount card. It's literally a digital replacement for your classical plastic discount cards like bronze, silver, and gold again. Next one, cashback. Very similar loyalty mechanic to CVS loyalty program where you will get, for example, 5% back from your spend as a bonus point balance for your card, and you could spend those points with the next purchases to a little bit decrease your check. Next one, digital coupon card, which allow you to digitize your promotion to acquire new customers. For example, if you run a coffee shop and you offer free latte coffee for the newcomers, you could digitize this offer, create the coupon card, and distribute this coupon card across your digital channels. It could be your Facebook, Meta, Instagram ads, and Google ads as well. Also, you could place this link in your Instagram account as a link in the header section and across your social media accounts to attract new customers to try it out. And moreover, with this loyalty mechanic, you could understand the real customer acquisition cost, because when your customers install your coupon card, after they redeem your coupon card in your location, and you will track how many people you captured from different data sources, and you understand how you already paid for them and what's the revenue they generated. You could calculate the customer acquisition cost absolutely without any problems. And moreover, coupon card could be converted to the one of the retention focused loyalty mechanics. For example, with the redemption flow, coupon card could be automatically converted to the stamp card flawlessly without any manual work, like a magic in your customer device. Next one, multipass. It's like a stamp card, but which this loyalty card mechanic works like selling your services as a bulk. For example, let's imagine the massage salon where you want to sell 10 visits upfront and get money upfront from your customers. In this case, card will be issued with 10 pre-filled and prepaid visits, and customer will spend those stamps with the next visits. And the classical gift card, it's a digital replacement for paper gift cards or plastic gift cards, as you can see on the market right now. Well, go ahead. The next section, it's a customer base, which you could understand all your customer base. All issued loyalty cards will be automatically appeared here, and all your customer you could find here. Also, you could segmentate your customer base by their healthy. It means by their status of activity in your loyalty program, card status not installed, unknown gender, or empty birthday here. Next one, by their loyalty level. Card status is installed in Apple Wallet, in Wallet Passes, and Google Pay in PWA. RFM segment. This is absolutely game changer for your business because this platform automatically segmentate your customer base by 9 segments. Loyalty beginners, growth, champions, sleeping at the risk, needed attention, doubtful, medium, and loyal regular. You could find the method how we segmentate your customer base in our knowledge base, which you could find here. Informational icon, push the button, and RFM segments you could find there. Well, let's move forward. Next one, communication. Birthday today and birthday in the next 30 days. You could segment your customer base and communicate with some people that you want right now. And also, you could create your own filters for customization, for example, by device type, by card balance. It's really easy to create your own filters and segmentate your customer base like you want. Well, also, we need to talk about the opportunity to download import template and import your existing customer base in Boomerangme to be able to send them new digital loyalty card by text, messaging, mailing, and email mailing as well. You could download this import file here. It's really easy to do. And after you fill in all the information inside this template, just push the button import, drag and drop your pre-filled file here, and apply loyalty card in which we will upload all the customer base here. For example, we want to upload all customers and apply them to reward loyalty card. Push the button import, and yeah, this is really 5 minutes to do this. Next one, when you imported your loyalty customer base, we need to make the first mailing and send them loyalty card templates. For example, loyalty card installation link, by text message, create a mailing. And for this, we need to select the segment. When you import the customer base, you will see the new segment with the last import here. Select this. You could send this message immediately or schedule for a future. For example, if you do it on the weekend, like I do right now, you could create this mailing for the next Monday and for the afternoon. And message something like this. Hey, name. Here is your digital loyalty card installation link. Input the custom value, card installation link, reward, because we imported customer base in the reward loyalty card. Cheers, and your brand name. Urf Cafe in my case. That's it. And schedule a mailing. Well, the next thing, when you send your mailing, you could get some replies from your customers, which you could find in your inbox in conversations. You will see all the messages sent here, and you could see how many people open your mailing and how many people reply to you with any questions from their side. Next section, here the place where you could create and send the push mailing for your customer base. You need to select the customer base, you need to select the card to send push for, and schedule a message. You could schedule a message, or you could send this message immediately, like hey there. We run a new menu this week. Welcome to try it out. And send to your customer base. All sent push messages you could find in your history section here. Next one, push automation section. Here you could select your card and create the push automation like automatical birthday congratulations first, the next visit reminder, the feedback collection push information, and also a reminder to visit you soon. Next one, custom auto push. Here is the place where you could literally create any push notification automation. Just select the trigger, select some event, for example, the card installation, fill in the message, and message will be sent after 1 day after the card installation, and add this to the card. That's it. This message will be automatically sent for all new customers who enrolled in your loyalty program, install loyalty cards, and after 1 day they will receive your message. You could create any automation here in this place. And in the settings, you could connect with your senders. For example, to send text messages, you could connect with Twilio. To send emails, you could connect with Mailgun and custom SMTP if you prefer to use your Google Workspace to do it. And also, we published it a couple of weeks ago with the WhatsApp integration with WhatsApp bot. And to learn more how to work with, check instructions by this link and in our knowledge base as well by the icon link here. Next section, locations. With this product, you could show the geofenced push notifications for all customers who install your loyalty card and walk in around 330 feet around your business location. They will automatically receive the push message in this area with any information. It could be your promotion, it could be your offer, it could be, just reminder to visit us again today. We see you around, welcome to visit us today, just for example. And you could add up to 10 locations to each loyalty card template to display geofenced push notifications for all customers who walk in around you. Go ahead, next, managers. Managers, it's really the space the page where you could onboard all your salespersons from your location. It could be managers, waiters, and other people who will work with your customers to scan their loyalty cards and proceed transactions. Yes, of course, our product could work standalone without any integration with third-party platforms like point of sale system or CRM systems. In this case, we created the scanner applications, which your salespersons will open from their personal devices or from your general device in your location. They will log in into this application and scan loyalty card codes to proceed transactions. And here is the place where you could onboard your salesperson by pushing the button Add Manager. Fill in the full name, email, phone number, password, and location. Apply this person to the certain location. Well, go ahead next to the settings page. Here you can see all the information regarding your active plan. In my case, it's a business plan on trial period, and I can subscribe right now for $199 a month. Next payment date is May 18th, because we have 14-day free trial, absolutely available for everyone. And here is the explanation of all plans that we have. Grow plan, suitable for a growing business with a several point of sale. It's actually for small companies who just starting their journey. The business plan, affordable for advanced businesses that intend to become a market leaders. Agency plan, especially designed for agency resellers. And if you want to learn more about how to resell this product, welcome to watch agency page on our website, and you will get all the information you need. And franchise plan, designed especially for franchise brands and multi-location stores with advanced statistics, with separation of sub-accounts, with all the things that needed to the big franchise chain to run the loyalty program. Next one. Here is the complete and detailed breakdown for all plans and all the features that include. You can find the difference between the plans, different limitations, and figure out which plan really fit your needs and subscribe for this plan. My recommendation is to consider the yearly payment, because on yearly payment you could save up to 50% of your monthly subscription. If you're ready to subscribe, push the button. You need to accept with the terms and agreements. Proceed to checkout. If you have a promo code, don't hesitate to apply it here and push the buy button, and you will be redirected on the Stripe site where you could proceed your transaction. Go ahead. Personal settings. Here is the place where you could fill in your personal data, upload your image, profile image, customize your time zone, customize your currency, change the password if you want, or delete your user if you want again. Next one. Here is the integration page where you could find all the native integrations that we have with most popular software. For example, if you're running local business, you could consider the Square integration and Toast integration that we published really previously. Next one, Shopify integration if you run e-commerce store. And soon we plan to add integrations with Clover, Lightspeed, Podium, and WordPress, WooCommerce for the e-commerce businesses as well. If you're working with Go High Level, here is the place where you could connect with Lead Connector for SaaS and Starter Plan. And also we have integration with ManyChat and 5 no-code integration platforms like Zapier, Pabbly, Integrately, and Albato. And Connexit, of course. You could use one of those services to make integration with more than 5,000 third-party platforms using triggers and actions and our webhooks. You could find the list of webhooks which are available to use right now on this section. You just need to push the button Add the webhook, fill in the address to send this webhook, and check all the events which we have right now in the product, like card balance update, expiry date, card installed, card issued, card removed, and etc. Well, this is it. I just want to engage you to join our affiliate program, push this button, and sign up in our affiliate program, because we pay 40% lifetime commission for all the sales that you generate by referral program. It could be your additional revenue source, absolutely passive income source for you, and don't hesitate to share this product with your friends, colleagues, and etc. So if you want to get more information about how to customize this dashboard by yourself, don't hesitate to push this button and watch my video tutorials by each product page and each feature. For example, if you're in the card section, you will see all the videos that really make sense to show here by each loyalty card template with the complete breakdown and explanation how to customize each of 8 type of loyalty mechanics that we have right now. Thanks for watching this walkthrough video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your implementation request and schedule a demo with my teammates. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye.